Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel, you guys. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please do not make it your last. Hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. And to my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I love you. Mwah. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you about 13 amazing styles that you can rock with your headband wig. You can rock your headband wigs in many cute ways than you can imagine. I'm going to be showing you about 13 ways that I style my headband wig. If you're yet to catch up on that, I uploaded the video of how I made this DIY crochet headband wig, yes, last week. So please feel free to go check it out after this one. I'm going to link it down for you to see. Yeah, go check it out and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I hope you get to learn from it as per usual. Yes, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section. Yeah, share the video with your friends, give me a huge thumbs up, and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.
I was looking into darkness for something to hold on. Found you when you were so broken, and I felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.
So this is style 8. I have to come out here and talk. This is style 8 in 3 waves. Style 8 without a scarf, and style 8 with 2 different scarf styles. I deserve a huge thumbs up for that, don't I? Now, if you've not yet hit the thumbs up button, please kindly do so. And if you're yet to subscribe and you've watched up to this point, please kindly smash the subscribe button that you see down below. And yes, join the family. I'll be glad to really have you join us. Yeah, and keep on watching.
Every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
So these next couple of clips are from me styling the same wig 1 week after. So I just decided to add it up here and yeah, give you guys a bonus. So that's it, guys. Yeah, I am again telling you, see you on my next one. Bye. Hi guys, check out these amazing videos that I've handpicked specially for you.